Do you want to get rid of the location arrow icon in your iPhone status bar? It can be easily accomplished with just a few simple steps. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off the location arrow for good. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to quickly navigate through your phone settings and disable this unnecessary feature in seconds. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and tap on Privacy and Security. Once you are on this screen, tap on the very first option, Location Services. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on System Services. So now what you want to do next is again scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you will see an option called Status Bar Icon, which is turned on. Show the Location Services icon in the status bar when the services above request your location. So if you want to remove that location status bar icon from the very top of your phone, simply toggle this off. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.